it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts. Thank you very much for joining me again today. Today's is a slightly different video. Today is all about the retiring list and things that we are going to be saying goodbye to, because there are quite a few. Some of them I'm going to be sadder to say goodbye to than others. But today's video is part of a blog hop, so it's the blog bit that's part of a blog hop, that is global, and it's involving, last time I checked there were 40 of us, but it's up to 50 across the globe, just looking at different retiring products and trying to give you some inspiration from those, to see if there are some things that you want to get before they go, because things are going. So I'm going to start in a slightly odd place with two die sets that I am devastated are going. The lots of labels I love. I made this card quite recently, actually, with touches of texture, with layering up the labels, and I just love the labels, and it's going. So bye bye. If you want labels, now. The other thing that I'm amazed is going is the Sweet and Sassy framelets, because basically we're not going to have any hearts. We'll have a few in other die sets, but we've got no heart punch, and we'll have no heart dies as a set. So a fond farewell to that as well. As I say, I'm staggered that that one's going. That's, of all the things that are going, this is the one I thought was the biggest surprise for me. So those two, if you want them, you know what to do, because in May things are just going to go bang, gone, and that will be it. So don't miss out. So other things that we can wave goodbye to are our enamel shapes. So in any way, shape or form, we will have no enamel shapes. So we won't have the colour families, we won't have the gold and silver, so they're going. Bye bye, they're off. So again, if you want any of those, now is the moment to get them. And this is to say, this is going to be the spring, summer and the annual catalogue. We're saying goodbye to items. So the next that I am going to be very sorry to see the back of, and I haven't used it tons, which is probably why I'm going to be sorry to see the back of it, is the fruit basket stamp set and the tags, and it's tags and the punches. It's actually the punches I'm going to be sadder to say goodbye to. This beautiful set of little punches, and they're going. Now this one in particular, which is to cut out the melon, is a beautiful little half circle which I've used for all sorts of tags and things. That's why I've got tags in my brain. So that is going, and we won't be able to make little things like this. I have to say, I do apologise for the lighting. It's been one of those typical April days in the UK where it's either brilliant sunshine or really heavy rain, and inevitably I've filmed videos during both, and it's now coming in at an angle because we're heading towards 6 o'clock, so it's quite low in the sky. Anyway, so that's going. So farewell to that. So again, if you want that, that's in the spring summer catalogue. Now's your moment. Now this was one I got just as a bit of fun. It wasn't really ever meant to be a serious set. In fact, it was one that I was given, and someone said, which one would you like? And I chose this one because it was just as the blends had come out, and I was trying to play with blends, and I've made cards like this. This was actually for a team swap, using the Celebration ribbons. So I made a number of these, and I mean, I'd say I got this, I asked for this as a bit of fun, but it's so pretty, and it's going. So yeah, nice red rubber stamp set, gone, and it's just easy. It's just a card on its own. You really don't need to do anything with it. Another one, and I've only just had this for a short while, and it's beautiful, and there's Remarkable You. I have made lots of cards with this, and these are just some. These actually all used Brusho. This was for the same team event, and it was just to show how you could use Brusho in a number of different ways. But stunning images, and again, really simple to put really effective cards together, and it's going. So yes, going. Right, next. Oh, yes. We Must Celebrate. I love this set. So here's a little card that I made using that. It's just such fun. But it's going. And I was laying money on this one staying, but it's not. The other one that I was laying money on staying was, oh, and I didn't bring it out, let's grab it, was the Bird Banter. I would absolutely have put money on this one staying. I know it's only been in the spring summer catalogue, as has the Let's Celebrate, but I just, for me, it went along with the cat and the dog set that we've got. So Bella and Pretty Kitty. So Bella and Friends and Pretty Kitty. I thought this would fill that kind of gap for bird lovers. So that's going. The other ones that I'm going to be sorry to see the back of, and I don't actually have projects instantly to hand with them, are mixed drinks. And one of the reasons that I'm going to be sorry to see this go is that it was one of the very, very first stamp sets that I bought from Stampin' Up, and I have used it and used it and used it. And if you look at it's the photopolymer set, you can see it's been really well loved. It's just so versatile, and I love it. But it's going. It's going. And this one I never thought I was going to like. I bought it specifically because I was doing some events that were aimed at preschool children and young mums, and I thought this would be a really good set to get for that, and it was brilliant, and the lighting really is appalling, isn't it? Can I adjust it at all? Not really, a little bit. And it was a real hit because it's so easy to just create a card really quickly. And I can't believe I haven't got one to show you. I thought I did one recently. Let me see if I can... I would have put money on having done one very recently. And can I find a sample for it? No, no, no. It's not where I expected it to be. Is it there? No. No. So where are we on the timing? We are at, oh, we're only at 7 minutes. So why don't we make a card? Let's make a card with this. So this is going to be straight from nowhere. Okay. So let me grab some cards. Actually, it's not going to be that one I want. I'm going to want that one. So this is one of my standard, I'm going to have to adjust this lighting a bit. I say lighting, pull the curtain across. Right, so this is one of my standard smaller bases. So let me grab a block. Should fit on there, yep. And some Memento ink, there we go. So this is why I say it's just such a beautiful set, because you can make a card really quickly. So I'm going to pop this down in the bottom right hand corner, and I really haven't planned this. This is really on the spur of the moment stuff. So there's our tent, teepee. Grab another block, and yeah, let's do Welcome Little One. Now remember, you've still got a few days left for my, gosh, that's almost straight, my prize draw. So if there are any retiring products that you would like, now is the absolute perfect moment to grab them and put them in your basket. Just trying to find my Stampin' Up markers, which I've hidden. Yes, grab them and put them in your basket, because if you spend £25 or a multiple thereof, for every £25 you spend, you will get a set of many marvellous markers. It won't have the ink colours in it, but other than that, it will be a full set of the retiring Many Marvellous markers. Now there will be a full set of Many Marvellous markers in the new catalogue with the new colours, but a lot of these will carry over. And I think you may find that you can just swap some of them. So you can just get, I think you'll probably find you can just get the ones, the new colours. Right, what am I looking for? I'm looking for Soft Sky, which is by chance retiring. Honestly, I did not plan this. So let's grab the little stars and a teeny weeny block, and because we can use this to colour up our stars. Oops, it's a bit of fluff on my... Bit of fluff! I need to find something to put my bit of fluff on there. There we are, just a bit of scrap. Right, so ink up our stars. Of course, now that I've pulled the curtain across, the sun's gone in. And just have some stars. Now obviously you can grab your ink pad instead, but on the basis that this particular set of Many Marvellous markers is retiring, it seems appropriate that I should use it, really, doesn't it? So there's some stars. Whilst we're on the subject of Soft Sky, let me put that on the floor, except I just want to grab do I want to grab any other colours? Oh, let's grab some Marina Mist on the basis that's going to. So, let us, I know bunnies aren't actually blue, but it's a toy bunny, so it can be blue. So we'll colour our little bunny blue, and we'll have some blue stripes here and here. And let's bring in some Marina Mist, and we'll have a darker blue cushion. And maybe some darker blue splodges here, just to bring some more colour in onto the top. So that's that. Now, are the bits that I'm looking for where I think they're going to be? Yes, they are, by some miracle. So, that is a Marina Mist matte. Yeah, I do not have a Soft Sky matte, but I do have some Soft Sky card. So, let's grab a piece of that and my trimmer. So what I generally do if I'm making up card bases is I put the A4 card in my trimmer at 10.5, which is the middle, score it, and then cut the base, because that way you score once and cut once. So that's that. Pop that down there. So now we have a base and a spare. So Fast Fuse, also retiring. You won't believe that this was not planned, but it wasn't. Oh. Right, so let's pop that up just for a bit of fun. That's a bit off centre, isn't it? Right, make sure those are stuck down properly. It makes it so much easier to pull them off. And let's be lazy and use my piercing tool to take these off with. And let's see what I've got here, by way of, have I got any silver of those? Oh, I know what I can use. I can use that. Oh, that. No, there's a gold. No, that's fine. We can use some of these because those are pale blue. And they're retiring. Glitter gems are going, these ones. So, let's just pop some of these around our, oops, around our card. And there we are, one little card put together in a matter of moments. Don't think there's anything else I can throw at it. But yes, so, as I say, a really quick card. How many minutes did that take? Well, I started at 7 minutes and we're now at 15. So, you know, and I honestly hadn't planned it. I know I have stuff ready to go, but that's it. Even cut the card base. So, I hope you found that inspirational. Do go over to my blog post and have a look at some of the other hop. There's a whole list of hoppers, but you can just work your way through that, either starting from me and working round, or start at the top and work down and see me again soon. If you want any products, as I say, for every £25 you spend in April using the Hostess Code, which is below and on my blog, I will enter you into the draw to win the full set of Many Marvellous markers as per the catalogue at £99. And so for £50 you get 2 entries, etc. If you have a big order and go over £150, become your own hostess. I will still give you 1 entry into the draw, but as you will be becoming your own hostess, you'll be getting free stuff anyway. So I will put you in for to the draw for 1 entry. Thank you very much indeed for watching me. If you're not already a subscriber and you're visiting me as part of the hop, please do click the subscribe button and come back and see me again. It would be lovely to see you. Otherwise, I hope you have a fun time hopping, and I will see you again very soon. Thanks a lot for watching.